Hello everyone, in today's math challenge, we will look at this 100 apples in a box question. There are 100 apples in a box, and two people play a game to pick up some apples from it in turn. Based on the rules of this game, each time one person can only take out 1 to 5 apples. So that means you have the freedom to choose the number of apples to take out in each round. However, you have to take at least 1 apple and no more than 5. And whoever takes the last apple or the 100th apple will be the winner. I hope the rule is clear enough here. Now you are playing this game with your friend, and you are the first person to take the apples out. So here is the question. How many apples should you take in the first turn to guarantee to win this game? This is a classic logic question, and it's worth spending some time to think about it. You can pause this video here and try to work it out, and we come back for the answer. Okay, for this question, you will find it is easier to work on it backwards. So that means we can focus on what is going on in the last few rounds and to ensure you will be the person to pick up the last apple. For example, to guarantee the win in this game, you have to make sure that before your friend picks up the apples in their last turn, there are exactly 6 apples left in this box. So actually here, 6 is the magic number. So that means if they pick up 1 apple, and you can pick up the remaining 5, and if they pick up 2, you can pick up 4, and if they pick up 5, and you can pick up the last one. So you can always be the person who pick up the last apple. And similarly, in the previous round, or in the second from the last round, you have to ensure there are 12 apples left before your friends pick them up. So that means whatever number of apples they pick up, you can always pick up the corresponding one to ensure there are exactly 6 apples left in the box. And then we can just keep deducing in this way. For example, in the third before the last round, you have to ensure there are 18 apples left before your friends pick them up. And then you will realize that you always need to keep the number under control by using the multiple of 6 until 96 apples left in the box before your first turn. So that means you need to pick up 4 apples in the first turn to guarantee the win in this game. After you have picked up 4 apples, and then there will be 96 apples left. So in the following round, no matter how many apples your friend has picked up, you always pick up 6 minus that number, and to keep the remaining number of apples in the box as the multiple of 6 until there are 6 apples left before the final round. Okay, as you can see, this is a mathematical game. It's not like you and your friends just randomly pick up any number of apples in each round and see who is lucky at the end. So if you play this game with another person who has no idea about this question, you can always win this game. It's more like a magic. Thank you very much.